Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm in Cancun. Now this is a last minute video, last minute trip that was not planned whatsoever. Hopefully you can hear me because it is really windy, but I've just been mucking around with the drone. This is the new Air, I'll show you a little bit later on, but this video is going to be full of just cinematic photography that Blue Marlin, make sure you follow him, he edits all the videos. Blue Marlin is going to be editing. It's going to be basically nice views of the beach and the sea and the hotel, and of course a lot of food. So I'm gonna show you all around the hotel, the room, everything, the views. Yeah, it's gonna be a pretty chilled one. So let's go for it. Just look at this view right now. Look at that. The sand here is so like white and soft. Yeah, I'm gonna head to the pool now, but I have sent the drone up, so I will show you that in a second. There's about like maybe 5 to like 10 pools in this area. There's some main pools and there's some that are like adults and there's some that are for kids. I'm currently under one of these little hot things which are really nice because you don't have to keep putting the umbrella back up and down. But this is one of the kind of private pools that's only for the people who have the villas here. I don't have this one, but it doesn't matter, you can kind of go from place to place. So check this out. So you have this whole private section here. These are like villas that can have swim-in bits. It goes all the way down there. And the cool thing is that almost each place has like a jacuzzi. So there's one over there at the end, and there's another one over there as well. So yeah, beaches that way. There's some rooms that even have like rooftop bits, which is up there. I'm gonna chill in the pool for a little bit, and then I'm gonna show you some of the other pools, and then the room as well. So the resort's made up of about 5 buildings. I'm staying in building number 4. But 5 is like an exclusive building, and obviously because I booked this 12 hours before I think I came in, about 10 hours, that wasn't available. So, building number 4, but luckily they allocated me a nice corner room. This is what the corridors look like. All the rooms are like this, and something really cool is that even if you have your door entrance here, this is where you kind of put your room service stuff in, so you can put it in from the inside as well. And my room is down the end there. It's not a bad view, it's not right up on the beach, but like I said, last minute. Before I show you the room, let me show you this view from this side. So as you can see here, there's a couple of the other buildings. Nice sunset going on here. Pools almost out the front of every single building, and you can book those suites like I showed you earlier. So there's another building here, another one there, another one there, another one there, and over on this side you got the main building. Food truck that's serving food almost all the time, burgers and everything. And over there you got the main restaurants, main lobby areas. These are the walkways. But these pools are really nice. Like I said, most of the buildings have that out front. Now, to enter the room. So the rooms are really nice here. This is actually like a junior suite. Again, there was nothing else available. This was available to book. But to be honest, it's something I would probably have booked anyway. Nice like long floors with mirrors, the bed is huge, loads of storage space, and the best thing about this resort is everything is all inclusive. So as you can see here, all this alcohol in here, totally all inclusive. You can take the bottles away if you want to. Free water, fridge has got all the stuff in it as well. Nice little kind of couch seating area along this side. And then, this is pretty cool. So this is obviously the view. If I open that out, you can see these balconies are huge. So you've got like a bed there, chairs there, and also something on that side. But this is something that is so cool. So check that out. The balcony has a pretty nice view from this side. It's not one of the buildings right at the front, but it's still a pretty good view. So out here you've got this whole area, and then this is the view. So as I said, pools out the front of almost every building. And check that out. Nice view of everything. The weather has been amazing as well, which has really been helpful. It's been like 82 degrees Fahrenheit, 27 degrees, really hot, which is not actually normally the weather this time of year, so been pretty lucky. But this hotel, I'm going to put all the links in the description, so check them out. I wish I was being paid to be here, or they were paying me to shout them out, but yeah, it's just a really cool hotel, and a lot of people on my Instagram, by the way, Instagram, follow me here. A lot of people have been asking me about what this hotel is, so I thought that's why let me do a video so you can actually see it. It is really nice. As some people may know, I was in the Hard Rock, which is in the main hotel zone, about April last year. but this, I think, is that little bit better. Still as fun, but it's got a nice kind of chill bit to it. Separate sections for kids and adults and everything as well. But the food is so good, so hopefully by now you would have seen the drone shots. If not, you're going to see some more of them because they are really good, and I'm going to shoot some more tomorrow as well. But you're going to see a lot of food stuff right now, so see more food because the steaks here and the lobster are amazing. And remember, all inclusive, there's no extra charge, so they're serving lobster in the all inclusive as well. But yeah, this is the view, and I'll show you a little bit more of the hotel in a bit. So flying the drone at the moment, come in and check and see this. So as you can see, it's currently at about 2,800 feet, and I'm flying it further and further. It's now nearly 2,900. It's all the way down that way on the beach, so kind of straight ahead from where I'm pointing. It's now at 3,000 feet away. Pretty good signal, pretty clear. It says I've got about 4 minutes left, 4.5 minutes left, and 30% battery. So yeah, this thing is 3,500 feet down the beach. It might be time to bring it back in soon because I don't want to lose it again. But yeah, that's pretty cool. So hopefully I can overlay these shots, or Blue Marlin's going to do it. He's going to overlay these shots. But this drone is really, really good. Signal's unbelievable. Oh, the aircraft's going to return home. So it says aircraft will return to home point in 3 seconds. So click return home, and then I think this thing starts beeping, and it's going to bring it back. So there it is, turned it around. It's going to fly it back now by itself. That is pretty cool. Okay, anyway, this drone is so cool. It flies so fast as well. Got some amazing, amazing shots. Like I said, most of this video is just going to be totally... Guys, not too long a video, and I know there's been less of me, so I'm sure you enjoyed that, and more of the kind of scenery and the view and everything. So leaving Cancun now and heading back to London, but when you see this video I'm probably back in London already. Quick stop in Dallas on the way back, and then flight straight back to London. But this resort has been amazing, probably, like I said, one of the best places I stayed in Cancun, and a really, really good hotel in terms of all-inclusive everything. As you've seen, the food was amazing. Everything was amazing. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like and subscribe. Please do all of that. There's some cool content coming up with Geneva, and also something else pretty cool afterwards. Maybe a little road trip. So make sure you are subscribed. See you guys in the next video. Bye.